Alright, hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will be shooting with another point and shoot camera. I promise I will bring in other cameras in other videos, but I just love point and shoot cameras. They're just so simple and there's not much to it. But today I will be talking about this camera right here. This was actually my first film camera and the camera that got me to love film photography. The best part is I found it at a thrift store for only $2. This is the Vivitar PS35. It is a little bit bulky, so I don't bring it with me everywhere, and I honestly haven't shot it in a while, so we're gonna see how this goes. I threw in some lomochrome purple in here, but yeah, today I just wanted to show that you don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on like film gear or equipment. Just really keep your eye out on point and shoots, and maybe not even this one specifically, but if you find one near you or on eBay or anything, definitely grab it. It's fun to always have and just make great memories and great photographs with. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and enjoy some photos. Recording this video pretty early in the day, so the light it's pretty harsh, but the good thing about this Lomo purple is that the colors, the purple, the blues, really stand out, make the pictures look awesome. So hopefully they turn out really well. But yeah,